Igbo Igbo ekenekwa m ọnụ ihe aka m bịa ka m tiri unu ya bụ latest mana na-ebu latest update kenekwa m ọnụ hera wee na-ekene onye ọbụla ifu na ya anachi ata go back to base all those while I'm very distracted and busy with one or two but I anatakwago now ka bịakwa na onyekwala unu ka isi anọ n'kọ akụkọ ka gịnị ka akụkọ kwesị isi wee dị unu mana akọ na adị m mma n'ọnụ. So back to ihe na-eme na Ngor-Okpala because that is the latest update now. Very soon, in a few days time, na Zion Ministry achịkọ okwu ọ na ekwu mee gịnị na-eji n'Imo State, and I will still say it again and over again. Ndị Ngor-Okpala, God has remembered you people for good. God has finally remembered you people for good. Now, I'm not showing you an example because now check for example now. Even as Lagos State, even as ebe synagogue do. Ije location synagogue church no. Imana synagogue church was the reason why that place is UMP. Go there and check things for yourself. Careful on that place you will get to. From DJ go that place, go there and see. Synagogue was the reason Uzos you were there. Synagogue was the reason Oko, everything, market, ahia, everything you were making now functioning there radically. Olekanka how ye be. JJB location on Christ Embassy. All their locations, Christ Embassy, all their locations, they are known for excellence in all their locations. Then Ije to Ije ebe redeemed. If excellency and the goodness of God in the life of those people that are there. Okay, for as a mewe in a normal way. Ani Igbo can the Yoruba develop. Ani Igbo ka Yorubaland develop. Hapuchakwa na church but anyela haka expose them to the light of God and expose them and imugume investors, meetings or maybe that place because people are coming from all over. Yes. That's how God used to remember people. Mana ina uneje ije ngokwu Ibadan. Ije ngokwu Ibadan. Ije ngokwu Osun State. Ogun State. Ije those people, ije those places pota. The reason that they emphasize it on Lagos is because Lagos is their only pride hanwe. Lagos is the only pride hanwe. That is then you have capital, yes, you have capital truth on one knows apart from more. Each of those places, but a man and why is far better than this. That a weapon, oka. These people are living in perpetual darkness. These people are living in perpetual darkness because no one you open a hammer or so they don't. I'm not saying they are not intelligent. I'm not saying they are not wise. I'm not saying they are not good people. No, they are good. They are good. They are wise. They are, they are intelligent enough. When you come to technology and all these things, Yoruba will capital A. Man, when you come to building of land, development, happily and by. Then now, Ngor-Okpala today, to the extent that the network providers are Abiago. Network providers abatago. So bros in care but I say hey ajeba he network you can't browse, you can't do this on achoba Starlink, achoba fiber one, achoba nke one, achoba nka. Network providers abatago go live for you. Near the picture in a phone and a screen here now. In a phone and a screen. Network makuyebu na imegideli obodo mepe very soon banka abatawa. Because now after this 100 days, you have was investors, bank, filling station, supermarket, motor park. These are the 4 major things you boost away for now. So when you begin to see those things, begin to remember this video because I said it. These 4 things: bank, filling station, supermarket, and motor park. That's the thing you be doing with all these strategic places because now after this one now the last year closing ceremony was a test run. Work. Now, okay, this year we hit the ground running rapidly. Rapidly, ebe network batago na hapụzia. Ọkụ bụ secondary. Ọkụ bụ secondary. Kita anụnwa na ọkụ bụ secondary. Time agafego oge ndị nepa ji ọkụ emega. Iwele ọkụ mega solar dị. Couple with this one, very dark man na kwadi ibubata now. That you can use. You want long as a student, as everybody, you know, go down your one room as a young boy self, decided okay, nature on your one room. May that thing can work for you, and it's as cheap as 150,000. Yes, I know that not everybody can afford it, but at least 60 over 100 or 70 over 100 can afford it. So happy good nke ọkụ bụ my mana kwefu nke network. This network provider batano ukpoyi amount one akita nke akwụrụ na ọnụ ọkwụrụgo then efewazia because bank cannot go together with the network. They will have to need strong another network ibatakwa another mago ayemuzu this mask kita ayemuzu like 4 before bank land there. Then bank amount to zia nke ha that can interlink them to CBN and to other transfer this thing haneme. The inflation about the supermarket there was an POS well ATM and alone. What are you not seeing? Let's see this thing can this is how development enters a city. What other means do you need? Even in the Bible it is there. Bible but Jesus, when he was entering into triumphant entry into Jerusalem, they were making noise to announce his arrival. You can't just move into a city, that city are quiet. That means you are fake. That means you are fake. If you sneak into a city, that city remains quiet and the same that means you are fake. What other signs do you need that will encourage and accompany you because you are sent? And these signs shall follow them. These signs shall follow him. This sign shall follow him. Then just go and check Ebozo church city, ministry city. Mbaneja adoration na pump up mukana. Enwero family no na nearby today. Enwero family no na nearby today. Now enwero 1 or 2 people that step their foot into adoration ministry. Enwero family no na nearby. Now enwero 1 or 2 people step go in. Obuni step in. Nwanne mpage step in. Nwanne mmage step in. Or nwanne mpage step in. Or nwanne mmage step in. Or Ngor-Okpala muta mmage step in. So you can't escape it. Then obuzinke iwemonso fadelele hadem. Go and check how those locations in Ebinina Habatacha. Go and check how developed those things interconnected themselves and brought out a city out of a forest. Kede kande Catholics we bala anambwe habatana ni bai. Akwande nna habata tola ha aka n'ime ọhịa ime ikpago ebe a na-atụfu ụmụ ejima ebe a na-ebusa alụsị ebe nke asị ha let them survive. That was how they were able to acquire kilometers and hectares of land, and they turned those place into a city. Because ebe na ya ka mmadụ nwonya ha n'olu dị no ya 2 years 3 years onwebekwa ana odukwa ka ebe anọ dị onye ọzọ abata before you know it pim. But I go, Uzabu be problem because once road link out to Ngor-Okpala, forget it over the typical. In the nearest future, you will thank me for making this video. In the nearest future, you will thank me for making this video because I said it last time on Kulokusuno. Malone here transporters go and put transportation now and again and became the first to repeat before them may be here. Because one of the problem some of the buying is maintenance policy. Once I'm beginning maybe a transportation. If was a handala abatawa, but I pray that God should give Zion ministry wisdom to coordinate and make sure that things work it well. Because Nandi Keke can have first stack today, despite government banning it. The government has to be kicking a first stack ago is because Zion ministry cannot hear. That is why Keke can eat you a kamili. keke na-echu ya ka mmiri, ọkada na-echu ya ka mmiri. Whether because bus is not enough, ụzọ ahịa contain bus, ma ọ ekwuzi okwu ndị personal cars. I ekwuzi okwu ndị personal cars. So I also celebrate with ndị Ngor-Okpala. Like I keep saying, I wish not my village can had. I wish. Sometimes I will begin to say, I wish not my village could. But I pray and care about my village. I will be alive to witness it. Because of also Sunday Ngor-Okpala call benefit. More is coming to other locations now nearby. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. God,